Well, today's been an interesting day. It just got a little cloudy, but it's not bad. I've got a drone shoot that I didn't think I was going to be able to do this week because it's been windy all week. But the wind's down, and now the clouds are up. So I'm hoping it's still going to be good enough when we get there. It's up towards Gregorytown. And this morning, I don't know what the story was. It was like every 10 minutes, the power's off. And I finally just, shut the power all the way off because I didn't want to take the chance of burning out some appliance because of it going on and off and surging and all that stuff. So I don't know what the problem was. They don't either, probably. So Sid just said, how do you get these drone jobs anyway? And it's basically, I think people either see it on the Facebook page or on the YouTube page that I've done them for other people. And because they're not here, they'd like to look at and see what they're potentially buying or whatever. I'm going to put you in the back seat, I think. She's, I don't know, trying to direct the Mini.
The leaves are going right by my ear.
Don't look out the window then, just look forward. Traffic. Got a couple of planes in there. 4 little ones, 5 little ones.
5, 6.
6? Okay. Sponge. 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 More sponge. Yeah, lots of sponges. Beautiful day. If that pirate boat is still up here at Hatchet Bay, or signs of life in there. Private property, keep out. Yep, pirate boat's still there. Huh.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's got sails now.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's got to be for some movie set. Oh,
It's
big
pirate
boat.
flag.
Okay, now, gotta this road ends. And the lots in question are way past there. Well, drone shoot went well. Got some good pictures, video, etc. You know, I don't know what the people who are thinking of buying it are going to do or not do, but at least they can see it without actually being here. I still think these condos would have made these silos would have made excellent condos. Little round top, put some windows in, spiral staircase. I'm not sure how you get the furniture in, but maybe you put the furniture in before the roof. Speed bumps. JC's got plenty of them. That didn't go well. This is the cow section. There was just 2 cows back there. When we came before, there was one little one running over here. See the tree? Yeah. So when you come through here, just make sure you keep an eye out for the cows.
Hatchet Bay.
Hatchet Bay, right. Most of the time they're in the brush and eating and whatever, but they do come out and they're not reliable. That's when we had cows. That's one of the reasons we ended up getting rid of our cows, because we had this black Angus who she knew the barbed wire was going to hurt when she went through it, and we didn't figure out for a while how they were getting out. But one day we saw, and she's just pushing on the barbed wire and pushing and pushing, and finally it just snapped. And then, of course, once the barbed wire snapped, nope, you're free to go wherever you want. And so they were, they kept getting into the road.
That was Christmas night.
Yeah, no, that was the calf's Christmas night. Yeah, that was a different one. So they kept, because once she got out, everybody else would follow her, because it was like, oh yeah, you know, grass is greener on the other side type thing. Even though they had 50 acres of field and more than enough. So they kept getting in the road, and we just were afraid that, you know, somebody was going to come around and end up getting killed. So we ended up getting rid of the cows. Okay, you know it. No trip north. I can't possibly not stop and get what?
Toilet paper.
Well, partial success. How's this? They didn't have toilet paper. Luckily, we're not
next
out.
Week.
Yeah, we'll go next week. Oh, did he say you got it next week?
No.
Oh, okay. But On a bright note, he had just gotten a shipment of food in, so we asked him, you know, on the off chance if he had gotten vanilla yogurt, and lo and behold, he did. So
and it's the fat kind.
Yeah, it's the kind with good taste. So Sid says, "Oh, just buy the whole case." I said, "Well, I don't want to buy the whole case." So we got 5.
That leaves 3 for
whoa,
one
what
other
are we doing
person.
there?
That's a church group.
Church group. Okay. So right, somebody else will come in. He'll be sold out of yogurt in a few minutes. Well, hopefully the tide's right. We're gonna, we haven't been feeling great all week since we got back, so we're gonna try to go for a beach walk. I don't know if it'll be a full one or just a part one, or maybe it'll be high tide. And I don't know, we'll see. One, two, okay.
I mean, you are everything. Hey, Reg. Wrap it up. Wait,
Well, we just had a good beach walk. There was some friends down walking their dogs, which is always, you know, it's not as good this time of year because, for them, because there's, you know, more people and everything, so they end up having to, they see somebody, they got to put the dogs on a leash, and, you know, because not everybody loves dogs. I mean, some people do, but some people don't. Some people are actually very afraid of dogs. So, but it was a good walk. Wasn't as long as we normally do, but, you know, this flu thing, we'll work back into it.